One of the best gifts parents can give their child is not money. It's not buying them toys. Not even sending them to the best of schools. It is unity. That gift is unity between father and mother. When parents work together by holding the boat together, they can row the boat to the right direction they want the family to go to. And it will be so easy for the children to follow because they can see by example in the life of the parent. If we want to raise strong and responsible children as parents, we must build the relationship between father and mother at home. In other words, we must respect each other, support each other, and communicate to each other respectfully.